Hello, what's up? Today I wanted to talk about something that really changed my trading and just excelled from where I was to where I am now in terms of my trading. And yeah, shout out to Jon Zherka for teaching me this. It's kind of fluffy, but I think you guys will understand it. So there is the fire and there is the water. And the fire is your imagination. And the water is, well, we can call the water your feelings. And what you want to do, like this is the real way to manifest or whatever you want to call it. You think of something you want. So you imagine in your mind. And you take what you imagine and you boil it in the water, which is, the water is your feelings. So how you can do this is when you're very happy, like let's say you're very happy, you think of something you want, let's say the Porsche GT3. You think of the Porsche and then you boil it in your feelings, in your happy feelings, and you just think of your Porsche and you're smiling and you're thinking of driving it with the paddles, the downshift, whatever, and you just start to smile and you get these feelings because you think, like, your mind can't distinguish between reality and imagination, and so your mind thinks that you're already sitting in the Porsche, and when you're feeling this, you're laughing, right? You're having fun and you're kind of, you get these feelings as if you would be in a Porsche, right? And then once you stop the imagination, this is very important, then you keep your feelings. So you keep those feelings that you get and you keep them, but the imagination can pass away. And then once you start to notice that your feelings go away, then you can do this again and again and again. And I started this, I think it was only like a week ago, but still it has changed so much in my life, because it's hard to describe, but it's like I'm living my life now as if I were the person in the future, right? So my future self is kind of taking steps back to meet me in where I am now, and me becoming my future self right now instead of in the future, if that makes sense. It's very interesting. I think you should give it a shot, because I really think it can help a lot of people, especially in trading, because you stop with all the FOMO trades and the dumb shit. You stay patient because you treat trading as you would if you were to be making, I don't know, 100K per month, and it just really helps. So yeah, give it a try, give it a shot. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to come up with video ideas, but it's kind of hard because I feel like there's so much I have to learn. So it's hard to be teaching because I feel like I don't know enough, but there's always somebody that can learn something from you. So I don't know, if you have any ideas, let me know. Okay, see you.